दुयेंत आशिल्ल्या मुखेलमंत्र्यान आपल्या पदाचो राजीनामा दिवचो म्हण मागणी घेवन मंगळारा काँग्रेसीच्या आमदारां सयत आरटीआय कार्यकर्ते आनी हेर समर्थकांनी दोनापावल मोर्चा काडिल्लो. मुखेलमंत्र्याक राजीनामो दिवपाक 48 वरांची मुदत दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर दोनापावलच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
गोंयचो मुखेलमंत्री गोंयकार आतां उठला. गोंयचो मुखेलमंत्री गोंयकार आतां उठला. गोंयचो मुखेलमंत्री
गोंयचो सरकार हाय हाय मुखेलमंत्री आमकां जाय. गोंयचो सरकार हाय हाय मुखेलमंत्री आमकां जाय.
Minister has not been accessible to the people of Goa. He has not been accessible now even to his own ministers and his own party MLAs. They themselves have said that the administration has collapsed. They have now realized what the people of Goa were feeling all these 9 months. So, sir, we want you to convey to the Chief Minister that now we are convinced, because we had come to see him and see his factual health condition. They have saying that he is fine and that he is improving, but as you know, he cannot meet us today because he is physically incapacitated. In view of that, we give him a public ultimatum of 48 hours to resign as Chief Minister of Goa or to face the consequences. And please convey to the Chief Minister the consequences of the agitation that will be spread across Goa after the 48-hour ultimatum will squarely lie on the Chief Minister, because the people of Goa cannot be taken for granted. So I request you, sir, to kindly hand over this representation. It's a very short representation. If you can kindly hand it over to the Chief Minister on our behalf. And this is our 48-hour ultimatum to him, that he should quit and allow Goa to move on. The people of Goa over the last 9 months have been watching silently with a sense of deep anguish to the total collapse of governance in the state of Goa. After having waited for 9 long months, we have realized that enough is enough and the people have to step on the streets to ensure that Goa gets a full-time performing Chief Minister and governance returns to the state. So yesterday we decided that at short notice we will come and visit the Chief Minister and see his factual health condition. We have been today told that the Chief Minister is physically incapacitated and he is not in a position to see or meet anyone. So all that we had been saying all this time has today come through, that the Chief Minister's office and some office bearers of the Bharatiya Janata Party have been misleading the people that everything is well with the Chief Minister, all his parameters are fine and he is improving by the day. So the truth is out today, and we are informed by the Deputy Collector of Panjim, to whom we have requested to convey to the Chief Minister what we have given to him in written today, that we are giving a final ultimatum of 48 hours for Manohar Parrikar to quit or face a statewide agitation, the consequences of which only Manohar Parrikar will be responsible. As we all know, recently Manohar Parrikar dropped 2 of his ministers on health grounds. After dropping 2 of his ministers who were ailing, Manohar Parrikar's health condition is worse than those 2 ministers and he has no authority whatsoever to continue as Chief Minister. We wanted to know the health condition of the Chief Minister because over the last 9 months, the Goa government has spent over 14 crores on the health care of the Chief Minister. Manohar Parrikar should be lucky that he is in the state of Goa. Any other state in the country, if it had gone through such collapse of administration, the state would have been on fire by now. And I would also like to remind Manohar Parrikar publicly that if he was today in the opposition, he would have raised a ruckus and a hue and cry over an absentee Chief Minister.
Has written a very transparent edit where he has mentioned without mincing words that Mr. Manohar Parrikar is in an irreversible comatose state. He cannot act, cannot react, cannot dictate, cannot take any dictations. And after all, what is happening, he and his party, I don't know how much he is involved because they say he is terminally sick. But they are playing the fool with us.
हांव मनोहर पारेकराक विचारूंक सोदतां कितलो तूं आमकां गोंयकारांक दुखयतलोय आनी कितलो तेंप दुखयतलोय तूं दुखल्लो आहाय म्हण आमकां सगळ्या लोकांक दुखयताय हें तुजें सारकें न्हय मनोहर बाब हांव म्हापशेकार तुजो वांगडी म्हापशेचो तूं लोकांक आनीक दुखयनाका तुजें एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कार्ड आनी कोणाय कडेन दी हें म्हजें धाकटें मागणें
हांव फक्त इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदतां की वेगवेगळ्या तरेचे चीफ मिनिस्टर गोंयांत पळयले पूण असो स्वार्थी आनी फटींग असो चीफ मिनिस्टर गोंयांत पळोवंक नाशिल्लो आज अशे सुद्दां लोक उलोवंक लागल्या की भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकर खंय खुर्चेर आसतना एक्सपायर जाल्लो म्हणून ताजो पुतळो आयलो म्हणून हो तसो रावला म्हणून हाजो पुतळो जर बांदलो जाल्यार ते मनान कोणाच्या ताच्या बद्दल अभिमान आसचो कारण हो असो आसा की मरण समोर पळोवन तो पुतळा खातीर खुर्ची धरून रावला म्हणून ताणें जर खुर्ची सोडत आनी तो जर बऱ्या तरेन चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणून रावत जाल्यार एक वेळ ताजो पुतळो येवंक शकता पूण अशें केल्यार ताजो पुतळो जर बांदपाचो आसत जाल्यार आमी परत सगळे जाण असोच विरोध करतले आनी ताजो पुतळो बांदपाक दिवचे ना.